Hello students, welcome to our class. Today we'll learn about comparing and ordering fraction. Fraction means fractions like this is a fraction. Fractions, that means 3/2 means is a proper fraction. There are another fractions like 13/15. This means we have the 30 things from the 50 things. This is we have this 3 things from 2 things. That means this is improper fraction. This is proper fraction because this is we use this kind of fraction in case of the 15 is greater than from 13, but here 3 is greater than from 2. This is numerator, this is denominator. When the numerator greater than from this the lower part or the denominator, we say improper fraction. When the numerator part less than the denominator or the lower part, we say what? Or it's called proper fraction. There is another kind of fraction that is mixed, like this. This is mixed fraction. That means when we change the proper or improper fraction, like this, 3 times 3, 2 times 3, 2 times 3. Then we plus this, plus 5 over itself denominator 2. Then the answer should be what? This is 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 5 over 2 equal to 6 plus 5, 11. This is 2. It is what? Improper fraction. Because the numerator is greater than denominator. So it is improper fraction. Understand? Yeah, okay. So there are types of fraction. Number 1, proper fraction. The next, improper fraction. The third one, mixed fraction. I think you are understanding me. Okay, so the proper fractions are the numerator is less than from their denominator. For example, numerator is less than 15/3. Is it proper? No. So this should be 30. Now this is proper. 100/400. It is proper fraction. Understand? 17/34. It is proper fraction because the numerator, this is, now come on, 50, 70. This is numerator. numerator. This is denominator. So numerator is less than from denominator, so it is proper fraction. It's called proper fraction. Here the improper fraction means 5/2, for example 17/7, 90/10. This is improper fraction because they can be divided. Like for example, when we use the division method or long division method, like this, for example, here 90, here 10, 90/10, 9. So it can be the whole number or natural number. Understand? So this is improper fraction, but here they can't be the mixed number or the or natural number, because their numerator is less than from the denominator. Understand me? Yeah. So here there's a mixed number, 5/3/2. When we change this to the direct fraction, like proper or improper, all times the mixed number changes to be what? To be improper fraction, because its denominator is less than from its numerator when we change the proper or improper fraction. Like this, 2 times 5 plus 1/2. 2 times 5, 10, plus 1, 11. So 11/2. Yeah, it is improper fraction. Anytime 2, then 2, 17, here 34 or 32. Now come on, when we change it, 32 times 2, then plus 17 over now 32, then 32 times 2, 64 plus 17 over 32. Now understand? Then 64 plus, that means 64 plus 17. Okay, 7 plus 4, how many? 11. We write 1 and reduce 1 here. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7. With this, the first number, it is 81. Okay, so the answer should be what? 81/32. Is it proper or improper fraction? Improper fraction. Yeah. Okay. Now I think you are understanding me. Okay. Then we should see the ordering of fractions. How we can order them. Understand me? Okay. For example, 5/2, 3/5, 7/3, 9/17. Okay, those all are fractions. Come on, those all are fractions. Now when we give the order, we use the increasing or decreasing order. So here the decreasing order, decreasing order. That means from biggest value to smallest value. So this is decreasing order. Now when we change this order to decreasing order, which is the smallest, how we can know which is the smallest? So now we see their numerators and their denominator. When the numerator is greater than from denominator, the numbers are greater than from the numbers, the fractions which their denominator greater than their numerator. So the numerator is, if the numerator greater than the number is that number has the probability to be the greatest number. So here 5 is greater than 2, okay. 3 is less than, not 7 is greater than from 3, okay. 9 is greater than from 17, okay. Now when we ordering them, 5 is here 5 over 2, it is 2.5. 7 over 3, it is 2 point something, but not 2.5. 9 over 17, okay, its denominator is greater than. So from 7 over 3 and 5 over 2, the 5 over 2 is the biggest. Then 7 over 3, then 3 over 5, because this between the 3 and the 9, also the 5 and 17 is so much here. So this is 3 over 5. Then 9 over 17. That means when we list them with decreasing order, we can change them to increasing orders. Increasing order. That means from smallest to largest value. So from smallest to largest value, okay, here the smallest is this 9 over 17, then 3 over 5, then 7 over 3, then 5 over 2. This is increasing order from smallest to highest. Yeah, the ordering of fraction is